kind of prep my skin first, and the first thing that I'm going to use is an eye cream, which is the L'Oreal and Holland Ultra Luxe Eye Cream. So I've been using this one because it not only gives you immediate results, but it also gives you long-term benefits. So after you apply it, within maybe like a few minutes, you start to like see and feel the benefits. Like the eye area will get really hydrated and smooth. Like it gets smooth to the touch. It feels really smooth around it, and it also works really well under makeup, which is why I'm using this one. So it's just a clear, looks like a clear gel like that, and it's like kind of feels sticky at first, but it dries within like a few seconds. So after you apply it and like after it dries, you start to feel like firmness, and also it gets really soft and smooth underneath it. After using this long term, it's supposed to help with wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, and puffy eyes. And you can actually find this on Amazon. I will have the link listed in the description box, as well as all the other products that I use in this video, so don't forget to check that out. Then next I'm going to go in with the Glam Glow Starter Illuminating Moisturizer. And we might as well all say hi to this little guy on my forehead who decided to pop up this morning to ruin my day. You might not even be able to see it that good on camera, but I'm pretty sure if I turned, you can see that sucker, because it's like one of those ones that are under the skin, but it's like a mountain under there. Like it's big under there. I feel it, like I feel it on my forehead, like if I just got popped in the forehead or something. Like it is big and it hurts. I didn't put a primer on, and I actually didn't get one out again. But I do have the Smashbox, this is a new one in collaboration with Nicole Concilio. Collaboration with her, it's a photo finish So Chill Coconut Primer Water. So it is a primer water, and it also sets your makeup. I guess I'm going to use it as primer right now. As far as I know, it's no different than the regular primer water, it's just the scent. This is, again, So Chill Coconut. It's one of my favorites. They came out with 3. Does it bother anybody, like when you watch YouTube videos and they do the setting spray and you can hear the like the noise it makes? I don't know, I have a weird thing, like it bothers me when I hear that. So I don't know if you guys realize, like in my videos I always mute that part out. It just gets on my nerves for some reason, especially when they spray it a lot. Like they're like spraying so much and you just hear that. Okay, so I put that on, and I have a new foundation that I'm going to try out, which is the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. I have not used this one yet. Which color did it? I think it was G40. I don't have the paper here to see like what it says, if it's like what kind of coverage it is. I don't have it. I think the paper said the plus. When it has a plus, it had a little bit more yellow in it. The G, I think, is already on the warmer side, but the plus, if it has a plus, it adds a little bit more of a yellow tone to it, which I think that's what it said. Anyways, this is what I'm going to use in G plus 40. I'm not really sure I like the, let me see that, how you get it out. Like how am I guess I'll put it on my hand. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the one, that's my color. G plus 40. Looks nice, feels nice. I don't know, I think it's a matte. I don't know if it's matte. I don't know, it looks pretty matte. This stupid thing on my forehead really hurts. God, like, I don't know if you can see, but it's like all right here. Oh my God, it's so big, and I feel like it's getting bigger. That was just one layer, and I'm not gonna put any more, so not bad. Concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm using the Sigma blender. To set that, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, as always. I'm going to set my smile lines, and then I'm just going to take a little bit and go around the rest of my face. Set that. for the first step, I'm going to take Sigma's eyeshadow base in Persuade, the base primer, and this is a new one in the stick, and I'm going to apply it to my eyelid to prevent any creasing. And then I'm going to take the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette, and I'm going to use this middle like brown light like taupe color, and I'm going to use the Sigma E38 blending brush and just blend that into the crease. And these colors are really pigmented and with not a lot of fallout. I really liked them. They blended really nicely as well. And then I'm going to take this like chocolate brown color. It's a really pretty color. It has like a shimmer to it. You can't really tell on here, but in person it has like a really pretty shimmer. So I put that on the inner and outer corner of my lid, and then I'm just going to kind of diffuse the outer edges. And then I'm going to take the darker matte brown color, and I'm going to apply that into the inner and outer corner as well with a pencil brush. And then for that pop of color in the center, I'm going to take the shimmery gold color from that palette and just apply that to the center. And this isn't even wet. This is a really pigmented, pretty gold color. And I just applied that to the center. And then my lower lash line, I used a little bit of that transition shade in the beginning, and I also added Sigma's Catch to it. And then I just added the darker brown color to my lower waterline, and I used an Urban Decay brown eyeliner pencil for my waterline. And then I added the very light matte color from the Natural Eyes palette just to the inner corner of my eye, just to kind of brighten it a little bit. So I'm going to take this Too Faced Natural Face palette and blooper. I dropped something. Surprise, surprise. Okay, so I'm going to take this Too Faced Natural Face palette, and I'm going to take the color Sunny Honey as a bronzer. This is actually my first time using Too Faced, any Too Faced products. So far I really like them. This palette and the eye palette smell so good. The blush, I think I'm gonna use, I don't know, pink sand. The highlight, I'm gonna use Satin Sheets. I'm gonna do it with the sponge, and I'm gonna wet it. Then I'm just going to spray everything again with the, what is this, Smashbox Primer Water. This coconut one smells so good. I'm using Too Faced because, like I said, I just got, this is birthday suit. It's a little bit lighter. I think I'm going to go with Skinny Dip. I just got some of their products since I've never tried them before, so that's why I'm trying to use them now. I think I'm going to use oh, it's not Skinny Dip, it's Skinny Dippin. Got two from LA Girl. I'm going to try Bare from LA Girl, and it's the Perfect Precision Lip Liner. That's a pretty color. It's definitely not like their other like creamier pencils, but it's like a color I would wear like every day. Okay, I'm going to try Skinny Dippin'. Ooh, that feels nice. It looked like it was a matte lipstick, but it's not. I mean, it goes on kind of matte. It's kind of like a satin. It feels really nice though.